We're here at the Hampton Inn here in Perry, Florida. Check out what we have here. This is an older Mowrey. Which, yeah, look at that, Mowrey. Got the bumper too. Scary 3. Yeah, that works. Nope. It's a zinc phone. These are buttons here. It's a vending machine. Very nice renovated hotel. Let's head back down. There's a lantern there. Very nice 1990s elevator. Mowrey elevator. Yeah, cool. Right there is a skip inspection.
What are those reflectors for? It's just reflectors?
Yeah. No idea what those are for. Pretty cool. That's the elevator here. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.